In this video, I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok without reaching 1,000 followers. I don't have the live tab, that is because I only have 1 follower. Now I'm gonna show you how to get the live option. So let's get started. First, go to your profile by clicking your profile icon at the bottom left corner. And here in your profile, click the 3 lens button at the top right corner. Scroll down and find Report a Problem. Click on it. Scroll down again and go to Live. Select I can't start a live. And here you will be asked if your problem is already solved. Just click on No. And click on Need More Help. We will send a message to TikTok support. We will tell them about our problem. We will tell them that we want to go live on TikTok, but we don't have that option. Once done, click on Report. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends.